Hi kids! Let me introduce to you our last traditional game called Batuhang Bola. It is a traditional Filipino game that is similar to dodgeball. It involves players trying to hit opponents with a ball while avoiding being hit themselves. Origin and nature. Batuhang Bola, translating to hit the ball in English, is a popular game among Filipino children. It is typically played in open spaces such as schoolyards, streets, and playgrounds. This activity promotes physical activity, agility, and teamwork. It is often played during physical education classes and community gatherings, reflecting the communal and active lifestyle of Filipino culture. The objective or the main goal of Batuhang Bola is for players to hit opponents with a ball to eliminate them for the game while avoiding being hit themselves. The number of players in this game is best played with at least six, but it can accommodate larger groups by dividing players into two teams. The equipment. First is ball, a soft rubber ball or any ball that is safe for throwing at players. Second is boundary markers. Chalk, cones, or any markers define the playing area. Setting up the game. Define the playing area. Mark a rectangular playing area on the ground with boundaries. The size can vary based on the number of players and available things. Divide teams. Split the players into two equal teams. Each team occupies one half of the playing area. Second, starting the game. Place the ball in the center of the playing area. Teams line up at the respective baselines. On a signal such as a whistle or shout, players rush to grab the ball. Gameplay. The team that retrieves the ball first starts by trying to hit players on the opposing team with the ball. Players can pass the ball among teammates to find a better position to throw from. When throwing the ball, players must stay within their designated half of the playing area. Fourth, getting hit and elimination. If a player is hit by the ball and it touches any part of their body without being caught, that player is out and must leave the playing area. If a player catches the ball thrown by an opponent before it hits the ground, the thrower is out. And last is winning the game. The game continues until all players on one team are eliminated. The team with remaining players on the field wins the game. Strategy. First is teamwork. Work together to pass the ball and create opportunities to hit opponents. Second, dodging. Stay agile and constantly move to avoid being hit by the ball. Third, throwing. Aim accurately and throw quickly to increase the chances of hitting an opponent. Fourth, catching. Catching the ball not only eliminates the thrower but also helps your team stay in the game. Next is variations. Time limit. Set a time limit for each round. The team with the most players left at the end of the time wins. Multiple balls. Use more than one ball to increase the pace and difficulty of the game. Re-entry. Allow players who have been hit to re-enter the game under certain conditions, such as catching a ball thrown by an opponent.